Hi Scorpio, thank you for being here with me. Let's do your reading and find out what messages spirits have for you, what you need to know. I'm just going to shuffle the cards a few more times. What's happening with Scorpio? Okay, one more shuffle. Okay, let's find out what's going on, Scorpio. I feel like you need to make a decision. Something here has you blindfolded. There's an ending that took place here in your life. I'm feeling like this is past energy here that has come to an end, because there's someone here that could have put you in a third party situation or was drinking a lot, being manipulative. We'll find out as we go along. There could have been a lot of arguments here with the Five of Wands. I'm seeing a lot of determination in your energy here to move on, Scorpio. Yeah, walking away. For some of you, you could be moving. Okay, so let's find out what this Three of Cups is. What was going on here? Why is the Three of Cups here? There's going to be something here of celebrations in the near future. You could have been dealing with the Cancer. There's energies here of being in your head, repeated thoughts. You're coming out of the water on this, Scorpio. You're coming out of your emotions, and the path ahead of you is dark. But in the long run, I'm seeing you having victory and success, crossing over the finish line, and celebrations taking place. And it's happening over an ending. There was something here that was meant to end. Why is death here? This ending happened for a reason. The Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords. I'm hearing that song, "You're as free as a bird now." This is Scorpio, this death card. You're free. You're crossing over the finish line. There's an ending to the past. We see it here twice. This being up in your head is behind you. You're going through a rebirth. There's a lesson here that has been learned. And I feel like this lesson could have had you down, maybe even feeling sick, maybe having a hard time getting out of bed, but it's behind you now, and there's a huge new opportunity. There's a new door for you to walk through now. You've made it past all of these mountains in your life. This is a lot. These mountains are huge, and there's a brand new doorway here. You're as free as a bird. You have all the tools in front of you that you need to manifest with. As above, so below. As in your mind, so here. You know, you're creating a brand new beginning here, because there is a new opportunity that I'm seeing you being presented with. Why is the Magician here? The Tower, the Three of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. This is a wish fulfillment. I'm free. You didn't realize how tied up someone here in the past made you. How restricting they were. And so it's like right here, the Seven of Wands. I'm seeing you standing your ground. You're not backing down. You're setting up boundaries and manifesting what you want in your life. There's something here that you're waiting for, Scorpio. There's a new ship coming in. You're turning your back on the Tower. There's something here in your life that just was a huge shakeup, and it took down everything that you believed in, thought was a certain way. It was something that, so it was a world you created. The reason why you got up and went to work was you were putting into this, and it was built on sand. And so the whole thing fell apart, and this is why you're starting over new, turning your back on the past and looking out into your future. And there is a lot of competition here, a lot of struggles. It's not easy starting over new. Why is the Five of Wands here? Yeah, see, out of this painful ending and arguments, conflicts with other people, all of these are endings. A 10, burdens you were carrying around, things that were very difficult. And it was painful to drop this, but I'm seeing you healing with the Sun. And again, I just keep hearing as free as a bird. Look at the Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck, and look at these energies. They only get to a 10 and then you drop them. Painful ending being dropped, burdens you were carrying around, putting into this tower, into something that was built on sand. And you're free now. The Sun. And you're moving like the Knight of Wands. So you could literally be moving, for someone who's watching this, but you are moving into calmer water, emotionally moving into calmer water. And you're going after what you want with a lot of passion with the Knight of Wands. It's like right now I feel like you're in this action mode where you're ready to go. Why is the Knight of Wands here? Yeah, the World. A cycle ending. There's a lot of excitement with this energy, but I'm seeing that it's difficult also. It's not easy to get to the other side. But you're almost there. I mean, the Ace of Wands, this is an exciting brand new beginning next to the World. A whole new chapter in your life. The old is completely closed out. And you're holding up your sword, cutting out of your life what no longer serves you. It's the fastest, it's one of the fastest, well, I think it is the fastest moving knight in tarot, is this Knight of Swords. So this is something that you're taking action on. and moving into calmer water. You may have help. You may have a helper here, because there's like someone here rowing the boat. You could be leaving at night. Why is the Six of Swords here? You're moving away from pain and heartbreak. This is a dark place. There's no growth here. 3 swords in the heart. You're moving away from it. You could have been dealing with a Capricorn or someone that had some addictions that could have put you in a third-party situation. The truth was found out with Justice, Libra energy. And then we have the Queen of Pentacles. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? So this is you focused on your home, your money, your stability, the material world. There could be a divorce here or a legal matter, and there could be a child. Your soulmate, your true soulmate, the person you're supposed to be with, you're not seeing it right now, but there's a new connection coming into your life where this is a happily ever after with the 10 of Cups. Okay, and then you're doing everything in this. I mean, it's like you're having to wear different hats, Scorpio. You're having to be the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles. All of these queens are showing up. So your energy is like an empress here, where you embody all of the queens. This is a brand new beginning, and it's a brand new passionate beginning here. It's an exciting new beginning, a new path, a new journey. It's like the law is, whether it's the universe or literally a legal matter, for some of you, the scales are being balanced out in your life, and things are going to start moving along as they should. There's nothing holding you back. The devil energy here is something that keeps you tied. These people have chains around their neck and keeps you feeling restricted. And you're cutting this out of your life with the Queen of Swords and walking away. Why is the Queen of Swords here? It's like enough is enough. You could have been dealing with like a narcissist. Some pretty cold words were spoken here. A feeling of defeat, like no reason to even attempt a reconciliation with this person. This person is showing up as being very sneaky, very greedy, keeping things to themselves. And it could be an Aries here. We have the Fool, but this is you. You know, the Fool is someone about ready to step off of a cliff and find the answers along the way. And this is where you're at, a brand new beginning. You're in search of that 10 of Cups, walking away. Why is the 8 of Cups here? See? Didn't I just tell you? You're in search of the 10 of Cups. This is your happily ever after. Right here, it's dark. It's the 8 of Cups. No one's happy standing here where there's nothing. And in this connection you were in, it always felt like something was missing. This is where you're going. 10 of Cups, happily ever after. Your person, which could be a Virgo, because we have the Hermit here at the bottom of the deck. There's a new person coming into your life in the future. This new person is a soul connection. This could be someone... This could be an ex from this lifetime before this devil energy came into your life. Or this could be a soul connection from another lifetime, Scorpio. But there's someone here showing up that is your happily ever after. So let me get some advice for you. And this happens after you walk away from some toxic energy. Okay. Advice for Scorpio. Your hard work is paying off. Have faith in your dreams. I'm seeing earned success here. So something that you're doing, you're going to have victory. You're very close to achieving your goal. A fiery climax approaches. Something materialistic, something in the material world, I feel like, and it's something that you're earning, Taurus. Both of these cards, this is earned success, moving into calmer water. And this is victory and success, crossing over the finish line. There's people cheering you on. And since we have the world here, you could be doing something online where you're being seen by many people. Okay, Scorpio, I love you guys. Thank you for being here with me. And for watching, liking, subscribing, and I will see you guys later. Namaste, Scorpio.